And staying with hurricane-related news, because the St. James Municipal Corporation, along with several partners, continue their cleanup efforts across Montego Bay following the passage of the hurricane. Alia Bryant explains.
Mayor of Montego Bay, Richard Vernon, says the aim of this cleanup initiative is to restore normalcy to the city and ensure it is fully prepared for the winter tourist season.
So we are out here today to do the cleanup. We're doing desilting, we're raking up, bagging up the garbage. The Jamaica Fire Brigade will be coming in a few minutes to start washing up the sidewalks and the curb and channel. And then we will do painting and brightening of the space in the evening as we bring Montego Bay back to normal.
He adds that the corporation is working closely with key stakeholders in the hospitality industry to speed up repairs at affected hotels.
Of course, Montego Bay depends on tourism significantly. It accounts for over 50% of our local economic activities, and we try as best as possible to ensure that the aesthetics are in place to enhance the experience for our visitors.
In the meantime, Mayor Vernon says the parish has recorded a significantly lower crime rate this year, with the ultimate goal of ensuring public safety for both residents and visitors.
We have some 0.26% per 1,000 people. That is our murder statistics now in St. James, and that is significant. It is bringing us closer to the safer cities across the Caribbean, and we have an ambition to be the safest city in the Caribbean, and we are trending in the right direction.
Alia Bryant, TVJ News.